Hi, I'm Dr. Denis Cauvier, and for the past 30 years I've been traveling the world and sharing ideas on how to win the war on talent. You know, it's very interesting to note that there's been some great research done on this issue called executive insomnia. Really noting the things that actually will cause stress and cause senior executives to lose sleep at night. And there's a whole bunch of issues such as the competition, profits, technology, a whole bunch of things. But it's interesting to note that the most common issue causing executive insomnia is how to attract, select, retain, and develop the best possible people. Because if you have a highly engaged, highly skilled team, these people will stay with you longer. They're going to help you become much more profitable. It's just a much better situation. Now, on October the 12th and 13th, I am coming live in Dubai, where I'm going to be delivering a 2-day workshop. And I'm going to be covering all of these low-cost, high-impact ways to attract, select, and retain and develop great people. This 2-day workshop will be highly interactive. It's going to be a lot of fun for anyone who attends. But we're going to be having group discussions. We're going to have case studies. We're going to be having lots of one-on-one conversations as we go through it. But not only that, I am going to load you up with tons of practical tools, templates, and proven strategies that you will be able to take and back to your organizations and immediately start to impact these particular strategies and these ideas, which will help develop you and your teams to give you the most profitable edge. I'm so looking forward to seeing you soon. Thanks.